First, I'd like to describe the typical automotive keys that you will come into contact with as you serve customers at the KID system. The first one is just a simple, standard mechanical automotive vehicle blank that was used in most vehicles really up until the 1980s and the 1990s. This key is easily ID'd and cut on the KID system. The next one was called a VATS key. This was used by General Motors in the 1980s and the 1990s. This key can be ID'd on the KID system, but would need to be cut on a standard manual key cutting machine because of the exposed contact there on the blank. This one is called a sidewinder, and as you can see, instead of being edge cut, the cut of this key is down the middle of the key blank. These can be identified in the KID system as well, but would again need to be cut on a special sidewinder machine. Next, we have vehicle chip keys. Chip keys have a little transmitter in the head of the key that communicates with the auto's ignition system to give it a go to start the car. First, we have our red package I key, and these can be identified, cut, and programmed on the KID system in the store. Next, we have our blue package, which we call a P key. These keys are identified on the KID system and cut there. The programming is completed in the vehicle, and the instructions are on the inside of the package. And then we have the A key in our purple package. This key is identified, programmed, and cut on the KID system, and programming is done in the vehicle to complete the process. Next, we have our fob program. And fobs are identified on the KID system as well, and then the programming is completed in the vehicle. This key blank is called an integrated head because it has both a chip key and a fob all in one, integrating both pieces into one key. This key can be identified on the KID system, and it will walk you through on the screen the process if you're able to duplicate one of our chip keys to start the vehicle ignition. This one is just one example of a dealer key. They come in many different forms and shapes and sizes. These can be identified on the KID system, and then a note will come up on the screen that that's a dealer key and that that's just not available in your store, and the customer would need to go back to the dealer.